Hi friends, today in this video in less than 5 minutes and using only free tools, I will share with you 3 steps to rank your website on top of Google to get millions of impressions and thousands of clicks and free traffic. Keep watching. Okay friends, so step number 1 is to install a Chrome extension. It's called the Mozbar extension. Go here to Google and search for Mozbar extension and open the first link. And in my case, you can see it's already installed. In your case, just click on this button to install the extension. Super simple. Now after you install it, go here and make sure the Mozbar extension is pinned so you can see it in your browser. Step number 2 is to do some keyword research. Now let's give a practical example to make things simple and clear. Let's say I am in the tech field and I am promoting laptops to sell and make some commission, affiliate marketing. So what you are going to do is to find some keywords to rank on top of Google with. You know, on Google, just for beginners, let's say I searched for this keyword, best laptops, enter. This is called a keyword and those websites here are ranking on top of this keyword. So your target is to identify a keyword that people are searching for, then you can put your website on top of Google for this keyword and get a lot of impressions and clicks and traffic and then sales. So what you will do here, or what I will do now, is to search for keyword ideas. So I will say best laptops 2022, for example. Click on search and you will see now this awesome tool will give you a lot of keyword ideas with monthly search volume metrics, CPC and so on. What we care about now is only monthly volume. Your target, what you have to do is to find a keyword with a search volume like 500, 600 and more. And by the way, if you don't know this tool, I'm using here 8 Super Tools free keyword research tool. It's totally free. Go to 8supertools.com, SEO keyword research tool. So step number 2 is to find keyword ideas with search volume 500 and more. Now to save some time, I did the research and I found this keyword, best gaming laptop under 1500. If we search for this keyword, you see it has 4,000 as monthly search volume. So people are searching for this keyword. Now I will copy this and go to Google and paste and search. What will happen now that Google will give you the top websites ranking on this keyword. And you will see now Moz added this section here. You need to log in to your account on Moz to access this feature. So what you have to do now is to find the gateway website. The gateway is the website that you can break through and put your website on top of Google. How? Search for a website with page authority less than 30 and DA less than 30. For example, if you go here, we have PA 28, which is good, but the DA, domain authority, is 61. It's somehow high. But let's go down like this one, a very good example, PA 24 and DA 11. So this website, in our case, for this keyword, is our target gateway website. Let's open it. And this is the target page that we need to break it and rank through it on top of Google. I hope you got the idea. So step number 2 is to find keywords and find the gateway website with PA and DA less than 30. Or at least less than the DA of your website. And step number 3 is simply analyzing this web page here and creating a better version. Now I know someone may tell me you need backlinks, you need to build authority. Without backlinks you can't rank. In short, it's not that accurate. In my experience, in some cases you can rank with almost no backlinks with a new website. But anyway, let's build backlinks without building backlinks. How? Simply, in this video I showed you step by step how I built more than 190,000 backlinks without link building. Go and check it and rank on top of Google. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for you on the forum or in the comment section below. See you later.